Good morning, family! I have a very good idea for today.
Oh no.
Oh, yes. We go camping this weekend, all of us.
Camping is, we sleep in a tent, in the forest, unembarrassed. It is fun!
Don't worry.
Is it safe?
No bears, only trees and birds. Very safe.
Father, the weather? The app says rain all day.
The app is not always right.
Water. Water. Eli, why are you putting a chicken in your bag? He wants to see the forest. Okay, fine. Did you pack the tent?
Of course.
The cooking pot?
Yes.
The matches?
What matches?
To start the fire, Jason.
Oh, I thought you packed those.
I packed everything.
You are amazing.
I know.
I'm ready! Let's go! Let's go! Don't be scared, Mr. Bear. I will protect you.
La 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 la.
Please stop.
La 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 la.
Dad!
Sorry.
Mom, how long is the drive?
About 2 hours.
2 hours?
Eli, it's fine.
Are we there yet?
We left 5 minutes ago, Eli.
Are we almost there?
Almost, buddy.
Are we there yet? Eli! They don't understand us.
Okay, first we build the tent. Easy.
Do you know how to build a tent, Dad?
Of course, I am the dad. Dads know everything.
Dad, what is that tree?
That is a pine tree.
Dad, is the tent sleeping?
It's resting.
Dad, the door's on the bottom.
That is a design choice.
Put the poles inside the tent first.
I knew that.
You skipped step 1.
I was testing everyone.
Dad. I can help.
Okay, come. We will try both.
Okay, everyone, let's work together.
We did it!
Mom did it!
We all did it.
Dad, what are you doing?
Starting a fire, like in the movies.
Dad, Mom has matches.
I know, but this is more exciting. It's almost working.
Dad, I'm hungry.
Almost there, son.
I'm very hungry.
Megan, can I have the matches?
Here you go.
Dad, why didn't you use the matches first?
I wanted to make sure we had them as a backup.
Sure, Jason.
Mom, how long do I cook the marshmallow?
Just a few seconds, Eli. Hold it close to the fire. Slowly.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Son! It's fine. I like it crispy.
Son, blow it out. Okay, attaboy.
Smoky. You ate it?
It's good. Tastes like adventure.
This is my favorite moment of the whole year. What was that? Probably just the wind, Eli.
That is a bear!
It's not a bear. Bears are very rare here.
You said no bears.
I said very few bears.
Shh, both of you!
Everyone be quiet.
What was that?
Look, it's so cute.
It's a hedgehog.
A hedgehog?
A tiny little hedgehog walking past our tent.
Oh.
I knew it wasn't a bear.
Eli?
I was testing everyone.
That's funny. I hear rain.
Yes, Jason.
But the weather app said,
Yes, Jason. So, what do we do?
We make indoor camping!
What is indoor camping?
We stay in the tent, we tell stories, we eat snacks, we play games.
That sounds actually really fun.
I'll start. Once upon a time, there was a dad who thought he didn't need matches.
okay, a different story. You know what? That was a perfect camping trip.
Dad, the tent was upside down.
It was character building.
You couldn't start the fire.
I was saving matches for the planet.
Dad?
Yeah, buddy.
Can we come back next weekend?
Absolutely.
Yes! And next time, I'm on top tent!
Hi, friends. Did you enjoy our camping story?
We learned a lot of great English words today. Let's review together slowly. Camping, sleeping outside in nature. Tent, the little house you sleep in outside. Fire, you need matches. Don't forget, rain, water that falls from the sky. Hedgehog, a small animal with sharp points on its back. Disaster, when many things go wrong. And remember, even when things go wrong, family makes everything better.
See you in the next story. Bye-bye.